So this next unit is trig limits and derivatives. Now for this first part, trig limits, there are some rules. The limit as x approaches 0 for sine ax over bx is the ratio of a over b. The limit as x approaches 0 for tan ax over bx is also a over b. And the limit as x approaches 0 for cos ax over bx is undefined or does not exist. And the limit as x approaches 0 for cos of x minus 1 over x or 1 minus cos x over x is 0. So for this first one, this will match this one. So it'll just be the ratio of 5 over 4. This next one, the limit as x approaches 0 for tan of 3x over sine of x. The way that we could get this to kind of look like one of these would be if we did the tan of 3x over x times x over sine x. Now for this one, we could raise this to the negative 1, which would make this sine x over x to the negative 1. And that would be 1 to the negative 1, which is still 1 times, we know this is 3. So our answer is 3. Or you could just note the ratio still works when it's tan over sine. For this one, the limit as x approaches 0 for tan of 4x over x, just be the ratio, which would be 4. Now for this one, you could split it up to be sine of x over x times tan 3x over x. So this will be 1 times 3, which equals 3. For this one, this will be this rule. Limit as x approaches 0 for cos of ax over bx. It does not exist. For this one, we could break it up to sine 3x over x times sine 3x over x. So now we'll have 2 times, this will be 3 times 3, which equals 18. Now for this one, we know that 1 minus cos x over x is 0. 0 times 3 will just be 0. For this one, we can rewrite it as 5 over x times 1 over cotan x, which is the same as 5 over x times tan of x, which would just be 5.